What's up guys, Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we are checking out the Raxium Axial Series LED side mirror turn signal lights with a clear lens fitting all 2014 through 2021 Toyota 4Runners. Now, if your factory mirror turn signals have seen some better days, whether they're faded, broken, or struggling to function, this Raxium set will be a great replacement. Now this will maintain the factory style appearance if you want to keep the traditional look of the light, just increase the function with a subtle yet noticeable and affordable replacement. This kit will be small and pretty simple, yet bring a lot of life back to the little lights here. Their main purpose is to keep you more noticeable on the road with the turn signal function, and the clear lens and the bright strip of amber LED lighting will not go unnoticed on the street with this set. Now that will keep you a bit safer, especially if your current set is fogged, taking away from some of that lighting performance or just simply not working at all. The housing will have an ABS plastic construction, and these are molded to sit behind the mirror cap, just like the OE light. Now around the lens you can see that there is a small foam seal to reduce any movement and create a very snug fit. Now the lens will consist of a polycarbonate material, which is a tough plastic that will hold up well to any lighter impacts or lighter abuse. So if you are taking your 4Runner off-road and take a branch or a rock to the lens, these will hold up. Not only will the LEDs be super bright inside, but they also are going to be efficient, drawing very low energy so they can have a very, very long lifespan, and you won't have to worry about maintenance. They'll also be plug and play, so you can keep some peace of mind that install will be seamless. This kit will come in at about $75, being one of your most affordable choices. Because this is such a small and simple mod, others on the page may differ slightly. However, this will have that classic and clear feel while offering those upgraded LEDs so you can get that factory light feel. Now, a lot of other choices that you'll see may have a little bit of a different design, whether they're more flashy or take a stealthier approach, but I think if you're looking for an upgraded factory replacement that will get the job done without breaking the bank, then this is going to be it. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should only take about an hour to get both installed. Now at this point we can head over to our shop and check out a detailed breakdown on how to get these onto your 4Runner at home. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install you need a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, today we're going to be installing some side mirror turn signals on our 4Runner, so let's get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we need to remove our light here. So I have this turned, you don't have to, it's just to get a better angle. But we're gonna take our trim removal tool and just get it in here. We're gonna get it under our cap and just pop our painted cap off. All right, you just work your way around once you get it free. And set that aside. All right, next we're gonna take our 2 Phillips head screws out. All right, now that the 2 screws are out, we need to pry this trim off. So we are going to go right here. And start working our trim off. Now there is a tab right here. So you're gonna push down on it. That'll release the top. All right, and then once you get that tab released, you just carefully get it out, flip it over, and you just set it like that. All right, so now we're gonna take our light out. So you're gonna get your trim removal tool, and just in the back here, what you're gonna be doing is pushing down these tabs right here. And then we have our connector, push down, and pull off. All right, now you just repeat those same steps for the other side. All right, now we're gonna grab our new turn signal. You will see that this is marked L for left. There's also gonna be a right one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start by plugging our connector in. And then snapping it back into place. Make sure the wiring is behind this tab here. All right, we're gonna spin our lower housing around. Just get that into place. All right, just take some time to get it right, but it will snap into place in all the corners and on the bottom side. Just make sure everything is flush. We can reinstall our 2 Phillips head screws. All right, and then we can put our painted cap back on. Same thing, we're just gonna line it up, snap it back into place. All right, now you just repeat those same steps for the other side. All right, and that wraps it up for our install of our Raxium Axial Series LED side mirror turn signal lights, clear for our 2014 to 2021 4Runner. And remember, for everything 4Runner, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.